Welcome once again to Prestec TV GH. Today we are come to learn how to make money online using the Vodafone SIM card. So if you don't have the Vodafone SIM card, please go to their office and buy one, which is very cheap or affordable. So without wasting my time, I'll take you through the step-by-step procedures, tips and tips which will help you to make thousands of money for yourself. Please, for this you can do transfer, credit transfer. You can do mobile money with this strategy, which will help you to make thousands of money online. We are all helping ourselves to make money online in Ghana. Many people are using MTN SIM to do many things to gain money for yourself. And those who are using the MTN merchant SIM, they can only send you the credit or the money through the only the MTN merchant SIM. And for this one, it's not the Vodafone merchant SIM card, just the normal Vodafone SIM card you are using to buy credit and making calls. The normal SIM card, not the merchant SIM card. And I'm going to show you, or I will show you the step-by-step tips and tricks to do that. So remember that when you buy one CD credit transfer, they will deduct 10 pesos from it. So the same thing that you are also coming to do, just get your 5 CD or 10 CD. And remember, when you sell 5 CD credit transfer, you get 50% profit. 10 CD will be the 1 Ghana CD profit. So if you are able to sell 50 Ghana cedis credit, just check or calculate it for yourself. And when you send mobile money to someone, and remember, Vodafone, when you are sending money to someone, it is free, but now the e-levy will deduct some little amount from that. And MTN too, when they send money, they themselves deduct some amount from it and addition with the e-levy. So their deduction is very huge. So today we are coming to use the Vodafone merchant Vodafone normal SIM card to do mobile money and also do the credit transfer. Please, let's go straight to the point. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video, and smash the like button, and please share to your friends for them to also know what or how they can use their phone to make money online without investing or do anything. Let's go straight to the point. Open your notepad and dial *110#, then you hit send. You select your Vodafone SIM card. It will load. Select option 3, which is buy airtime or data. We are come to do credit transfer, and I will select 1, which is buy credit or buy airtime. Someone using MTN is doing credit transfer, and I don't have any fund, but I want to show you one of my tricks I'm using to make money online. I don't want to hide or use it myself because sharing is caring. That's why I'm sharing this strategies with you. So you select option 4, which is other networks. Then remember, airtime purchase for other network cannot be reversed, so you select 1, proceed. It says enter recipient number, then you enter 1, then you enter the recipient number. Either the number is Airtel Tigo number, Vodafone number, MTN number. When you enter the number and send the credit, it will go like you did the you use the merchant SIM to do the credit for the person. So after this tutorial, just try it for yourself. Those of you who are having or using the Vodafone SIM card, you enter the number again, enter the amount. When the person is buying 1 CD, you just type 0.90, then you hit send. When the person is buying 50 pesos, you just enter 0.40. When the person is buying 3 CDs, you just type 0.27 so that every amount of money, 1 cedi, you deduct 10 pesos from it. So just check it for yourself. I'll just type 10 pesos. I don't have fun in my wallet now, so I would just want to show you that tricks I'm using to make cool money for myself. Then you enter your Vodafone pin code. After that, you hit send. Yes, it's proceeding. When you have fun in your account, the person will receive the amount or receive the airtime like you are using the normal merchant sim to do the credit for the person. So please subscribe to the channel. Here is the tips I'm using to make money online. When you are able to buy or sell, you are able to sell 50 cedis airtime a day. Calculate the amount of money you get. When you're able to sell 5 cedi airtime, you will get 50 pesos. When you're able to sell 10 cedi airtime, you will get 1 cedi. So just calculate the 1 cedi times 5, and you can use 55 cedis to do that. Just have your 5 cedis and go to any merchant, Vodafone merchant, and you said I'm doing deposit. Just deposit the 5 cedis in your account and use this to start the business. Gradually within a month, you will able to get the huge amount of money for yourself. Here is the Prestech TV. We share the tips and tricks that will help you to improve the life and enjoy the standard of living. So please subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of valuable content which you can also learn to make money cool for yourself. And please, if you want to learn graphic design and if you want to learn how to make money online, mainly affiliate marketing, how to create ebooks and make money online, make money through that, YouTube marketing, WhatsApp e-commerce, there is a tutorial coming, and you have a detailed ebook which we are using to make money online, and I will leave the link in the video description below so that you click on it and have it for yourself so that you can also make cool money for yourself. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let's meet in the next video.